It's 24 degrees, but it's like super hot. Sun's out, and everyone's just chilling and having a drink, and then we'll take a walk through the forest. How have you enjoyed your camping here?
Yep.
Was it been good, Avian? And you, Levi? Yeah, what does yeah mean?
It means good.
Good, okay. Yeah means yeah. So after the walk this afternoon, we want to do the pizzas. So there's this cool little area here. I must say it's pretty neat. This campsite's really awesome. It's pretty neat. I mean, we want to do it on these pizza ovens. So it's gas pizza ovens. We're going to do some pizzas tonight. But I mean, we've got nice barbecues here. Proper stuff, really nice stuff. And really good toilets. You know, the wood-fired hot tubs. It's a really good location. It's quite nice. So we're about to head out to the walk now. We've got all the bros. What's the bros saying?
Yo, what's up, guys?
Tell them where we're going.
We're basically going to a lovely forest in Hanmer Springs. And this forest got a lot of animals, but what's different about the animals is not real animals.
It's fairies and stuff in the trees.
It's fairies, but it's also woodcarved animals. So you guys gonna see later. It's quite beautiful. There's some monkeys. There might be some dogs.
Dogs, you know? even All Blacks. You'll find All Blacks.
Pretty much in a bit of Springboks. Yes.
Everything.
Welcome back to the channel, and by now you know we're going for a walk in the Hanmer Forest, and the awesome thing is we already had our tour guide. We'll take it away. I have to tell you, these wood carvings were a spectacle. It was quite amazing to see the detail and the craftsmanship that went into these statues. Okay, for real, well, you can now take it away.
Tell one person that you have ate it, and rule number 3, if you see somebody's eating it, just pretend you didn't see it.
Okay.
Alright, so guys, we're gonna walk straight for about 5 kilometers, and we're gonna see something beautiful.
Here's another one.
We basically now in the beginning of the sculpture trail, and that was a trail I told you earlier about. And in order to entry, just for the viewers at home,
$10.
there's a $10 entry fee here. But you can pay it with me. You can pay it over here because
Mr. Miami is not paying
there
that.
is no EFT, EPOS facilities.
Sometimes the most simplest things in life turns out to be the greatest moments, and this was one of them. We really enjoyed this walk and had a lot of laughs.
Look how cool that is. Like he wants to take it out. It's like brings the kid out. Brings the kid out in you. See, as well, something to open, something to see. There's doors to open.
This is a little more like a magical forest for children.
Yeah, and you see weird things in there, like, I don't know what that is. A whale? A ghost? I don't know. Let's see what's in here. Oh, just bedazzled. I told you there's an all black in the trees.
Oh, yeah.
There's the all black in the trees with a fairy in his stomach. He must have a fairy in his stomach because he saw Cheslin Colby or something, or Peter Step the toy. Yeah. No fires.
Need some popcorn for the
Yeah, but it's because people bring this from all countries. They put the date here. It's literally people just put the stuff on you. What?
Oh, there's a fairy sleeping in there.
What?
This looks like the thing that's across from us.
Yeah. There's the ferry. This is insane. Look at this. Wow. Wow.
The furniture crazy.
Let's go.
Go, go. Okay.
On your bum.
Again.
On your bum. Yes. Whoa! As you can see there, just having some pizza. This is actually the pizza we made last night. I couldn't record this because my phone went dead. We played some table tennis. We were outside. We really enjoyed. The whole setup was really nice out there. Played some ping pong and just cooked some pizzas, which was good. They've got these gas pizza ovens, which was good. Last day, it was a great experience, I've got to say. Great people we camped with. Awesome vibe, and we literally did just about everything. You know, we did the hot tubs, the wood fire hot tubs the first day. We did, you know, the thermal pools on the second day. We spent a little bit of time in town. The last day was true camping, where we did the pizza oven, all of that stuff. So we really enjoyed the time here at Hanmer. It was great. Yeah, I just want to pack up early this morning, get back home. It is Christmas Eve today, so be back home, enjoy Christmas, and we move on from there. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, like always, hit that subscribe button below.
Here are some more great memories of all these things we did while my sister was here from Canada. Yes, that is a Canadian speaking to his Kiwi sheep.
Let's have a good time now.
Thank you for joining us for another travel experience. Please hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Catch you in the next one.
Live YouTube channel.